Hey guys, Kyle Wolf here at AOMC. Today we're looking at the Warp 9 Adjustable Torque Spoke Wrench. This is a great tool for any mechanic or a dad with kids, a lot of different size bikes. This is a great tool to have. I'll just open up this case right here. This comes with everything, and you'll see here right now. Basically what it comes in this kit is 2 spoke wrenches, a little tiny one. This is just like your standard spoke wrench. No torquing specs on here. If you want to just do a quick adjustment on the spokes, you can do that. And this comes with like your regular socket and ratchet attachment. Both of these do actually. And then this one right here, this longer one, this is your torque spoke wrench. And it's in inch pounds as well as Newton meters. So you just turn it any which way. And I'll show you right here how it works. It's just like a socket and ratchet set, which makes it really nice, and I'll get into more detail right now. You just pull one out, pull whatever size you need, stick it on right there, do your adjustments. You can pull it right back off and stick it back in the case. And the real benefit to this, like I said, if you're a mechanic or a dad, a lot of bikes in your garage, this comes with any size from 5.1 millimeters all the way up to 6.9 millimeters, and there's even a spline socket in here for the really big spokes. And there's also torque specs on the chart right here. So it's designed for any wheel in mind, any spoke size, any spoke nipple size that you're going to be putting them on, which makes it really nice. So you don't have to have a whole bunch of different spoke wrenches. Everything comes in this kit right here. So once again, this is the Warp 9 Adjustable Torque Spoke Wrench. And you can find more great items like these, other great parts and accessories at aomc.mx.